All right, we are here. We are here. Good morning. What's up, Six? What's up? Looks like Tom is looking for a long, or he's in a long. I am expecting kind of a move down. So we did not take the low. If we can look, still have the Asia low in play there. So I'm kind of thinking that's the draw. So that's my lean at open as usual. I'd like a spike up, leave us a gap, and go from there. Let's see here, DX feed. Let's get everything connected over here on the other side. Let's take profit 70. Maybe it runs to his take profit first. Who knows? Hopefully. What's up, Oracle? What's up, Solution? Let's go. Good morning. So we'll kind of see what happens there. Not a very big move during Asia. Just kind of what you like to see, I guess. We also have this wick here. Down in the fair value gap to the downside there. And then that's the upside run. All right. Let's just see what happens here. Let's check the ES. All right, so ES did not run the high or the low yet, so it might push up still. ES has not ran the Asia high or low, so right now we do have an SMT with the ES there. We'll see if it pops through the high at open. It very well might. It's kind of seeming like that might be what it wants to do. Two-minute. 3 minutes looking like it's going to be the way to go here. All right, we'll see here. 3 minutes here until open. 3 minute chart looks the best here so far. We'll see if it wants to maybe give us a little pump right here at open and then pull back. We'll see what happens. So 372 up there as well. So we got another minute and a half left on, minute 45 seconds left on this candle. So we'll see what we get here at open. That's all we can really do. But we'll see if this gap stays open, and then if we get an inverse out of it, then we will participate. So this is kind of what we're looking at right there. And we'll see if we can get an inversion out of this, and we'll try to take it down. to that 326 area, which is the London or the Asia low. So a lot of low resistance liquidity here. Nothing really holding us up at all. Nothing really holding us up there. Let's just see. So here we go. Pushing. ES up to 142. The Asia is 143 and a quarter on ES. Sweet. Just took 13 points. Nice. 6. Nice job. So I like the ES get a little bit more of a push higher there, but it's not gonna do it. Let's see here on the 3 minute. Let's just watch. First minute's out of the way there. Let's see. Do we want to jump in already or just wait? Probably just wait here. Like to have had the ES run the 143s there, but it did not. So right now there is a bearish SMT with the ES. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in. And right here, we'll limit buy. J Trades, what's up? Yeah, I'm just I lost my stuff, so I just had to quickly put something on there. J Trades. Quickly put something on there. It's one of those things. We have equal lows down here at 51, 52 area. Let's see here. Want to see the 3 minute close below, 2 minute, 1 minute close below. So, oh, no, I didn't lose it. They automatically save, and then I got logged out of my account, so I didn't have time to. I didn't mess around with it. It's basically. All right, I don't know here. Jumped in a little early there. Now it's not closing below. I don't like the look of that. ES kind of bouncing off the VWAP there. Where's the VWAP at? $340, $348. I don't like this close. I may take this off. We'll see how she goes. We'll see how she goes. I guess that pop-up is due to the ES at the VWAP there. I wasn't really looking. We want to see this candle here really close below for confirmation. We might just take it off. We'll see. Like I said, we jumped in a little bit early there. A little bit early. It should close below. We do have the equal lows down there. That's not where my take profit is, but we should make our way through there. But let's just see. We got another minute and 13 seconds on this candle. I don't love that the ES didn't run the high yet, but I'll go ahead and add another one on here. We'll take it off at the lows there for 5 points, 4 or 5 points. If we get back above this swing here, I'm just going to close the trade. So I want to see us close below here in the next 30 seconds. Let's just kind of see what happens. Push it down, push it down. It's not looking like it's wanting to, though. That's the thing about it. I don't like that close. Should have waited for the close below, but we jumped in too quick there. Jumped in too quick. May just end up eating a loss. All right, let's use some logic here. All right, I'm just going to kill it. I don't like the way it looks. Holding 3 minute. Yeah, still didn't run the highs. I should have waited. That wick got me. So we're just going to wait. ES may want to run the 143s there. What's up, Void? May actually have a setup there on the 1 minute. Solution, yeah, it's not really making a move. I should have waited, though. I jumped in on a non-close below, which is against the rules there. So it's one of those things. I knew the 3 minute is the one we should be watching. FX, good morning. And we didn't wait on it. Illuminated, what up? Komodo, it's 3 a.m. for me. That's what time I use. Some people use 2 a.m. I guess technically it opens at 2. Let's see here. Bouncing off the ES, bouncing off the VWAP there. Whew. If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We do appreciate it. See if the ES wants to run that 143s first. Yeah, it's hot streak. I know. It's fine, right? It just looked like it was just going to run these equal lows quickly, so that's how it does, though. That's how it gets you. Makes you think something and then does something else. Maybe want to run the 73s here. ES just ran the Asia high there. So ES runs the Asia high there now. But when you realize you're wrong or you're early, just get out, right? It's the thing to do. So that's what we did. All right, now maybe we'll enter this thing. We'll see here. Let's see what she does. Two minutes probably better, to be honest. All right, 2 minutes is going to be the 2 minutes is probably going to be the best one for us. So we'll keep a look here and see what happens. Let's see here. We'll wait on the close below here. All right. See if we can get a close below here. We'll take the short. Let's just see. 1 minute probably close below. Yep, 2 minutes working on it. So if it closes below, I guess we'll try to take we'll probably take the close and then we'll take the retest. All right, we're going to just jump in one here and then we'll we will re-add. Once it closes, we'll add on a retest here. We're just in just in case it runs. We'll add on the retest. Add one more if it pushes back up again. And if this one doesn't work, then we just gets our face ripped off. So if it retests one more time, we'll go ahead and add another one. I'll take one off right down there at the at those equal lows, and that's kind of will be my break-even point as well. We got to get through the 2 minute now. We dug ourselves a hole kind of early here, so let's see if she pushes down. Needs close below on the 3 minute there as well. Should have waited there. I kind of jumped the entry on that first entry. Kind of annoyed by it, but what can you do? What can you do? I knew the ES had not taken the highs yet. Want to see it close below this gap here. Keeps bouncing in that area, which I don't like. And we're pushing up here. Might get our face ripped off here. I mean, shorting this is, I mean, let's be honest, it's a bit risky there. But seems okay. If it hits us, it hits us. So a close back above, obviously we take it off, so see what happens here. And then back below this swing, we do break even there. Those are the options. It might just want to continue to push. Let's just watch and see. That's all we can do. So if it closes above, we kill it. A lot of buyers kind of showing up here. See if it continues to push. We just take it off. No close above there yet. Need to see the sellers come in here. I'm going to go ahead and add another just in case this thing continues to push down. And just because the close back above is not very much more risk. And if it hits the first target there, we'll take that off. So let's just see what happens. And obviously a close above, we just kill it. We probably hit the daily loss limit if it closes above there. So let's see if it wants to continue to push down here, or if she wants to be dirty. No face ripper. You're probably safe. We'll see. Well, this one's not bad. I don't mind this one. This one meets the rules. This one down here that I took did not. So again, just kind of watching on a close above. We take it off. Yeah, we didn't FX. I see it. I got it marked out up there, so. We shall just see what happens. It's awfully warm in here this morning. I put on my sweater because usually it's kind of chilly, but I turn the air on at night typically. I didn't turn it on last night. I did not turn it on. If it closes above, then we're just wrong, right? And that's okay to be wrong. We did create a new 1 minute gap here on the way back up. Need to close back below this gap as well here, but let's just see. Looking like we might just get stopped here on a close above. I really want to see it close below 60 on this next candle. It's the ideal thing for it to do. Hey, Judith. Thank you for your subscription. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. You the man. You the man. I'm a little sleepy this morning, guys, to be honest with you guys. A little bit sleepy. But yeah, I want to see this candle close below 62 there. That would give me a little bit of confirmation that it should continue down. If it holds that area, then makes it tough-ish. If this candle hits this swing, I'm going to move my hard stop down to this swing here. Of course, if it hits this swing, I probably just break even it, but that's the idea. So did it close below there? Right at it. Yeah, just below. So let's just see what happens here. Let's take out the 54s first and then continue down. Hey, Rifath Araki. Welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for your subscription. Let's go. You the man. All right, let's see some movement here. Let's push down. Hit the first two targets at least, and we can go break even here. We'll be pretty much break even on the day if we can hit the first two, and then we can just wait. But she might want to go and take out that high like FX said. This is kind of a little more of a high risk trade here. Aggressive is what we'll say. Fatima Nasreen, welcome to the Methodical Crew. Thank you for the subscription. You the man. So if it hits the target here on the first one, then we'll move our stop to break even at that point. If still kind of holding up here at this 3-minute gap. So it could really still kind of 50-50 here, to be honest. It could continue higher. We want to see some speed below this wick, though. We want to take out these equal lows. I would normally in New York probably move my swing there to or move my stop to break even once we got back below the swing, but here in London, I try to be a little more free with the stop. I want to see it speed through here first. I'm going to hit that first target there, and then we'll drop the stop. I haven't stopped it yet. I haven't dropped the stop yet. I'm just kind of hovering with it right now. Just based on the New York rules, it would be dropped already, but we might bounce out of this one more time, though, unfortunately. I got to decide whether I want to kill it or not. All right, I just dropped it there for break even. I don't know. It's not that I don't like the trade. I think it ultimately sells down. It's just not going yet. So still just kind of holding that 3-minute there. I was thinking that we'd probably kind of move through there quickly, and we just haven't. This wasn't really to take any more heat on that. Let's just see what happens here. Not feeling like I'm seeing it, like reading it great this morning, to be honest with you. The spread's the same, Komodo. Yeah, there's very little spread. It's just the volatility is different. So we're putting in higher lows, right? We never ran that high there. So I mean, the only thing is I don't like, we're holding up in this 3-minute gap here. I think it's going to sell hard. I mean, yeah, it might, but not. Who knows if it'll do it now, right? It's kind of bouncing between two zones there. I think I might want to run up here to the 73s first. If you're wrong, you're wrong, you know? I just didn't like the price action there. If I don't like the price action, I don't think it's a bad idea just to kill the trade. ES holding up there. It was kind of failing to sell down. So I think I'm going to wait for extra confirmation. We're going to use the 3-minute. Closes below in the 3-minute. Then maybe we take the short. You see how it's just wicking and holding there. It's kind of like violating PDRAs left and right, not really respecting any of them this morning. It's kind of odd. This is bouncing between these two zones. Let's wait for one of these to be broken. So let's just kind of wait and see here. Oh, me. Yeah, it is an idiot. It's an idiot box for sure. I mean, we've been idiot boxing all morning since the Asia Open. No real moves. Makes it one of those trades where, like, you kind of just got to hold. See if it wants. Kind of generating liquidity to the upside as well there. I mean, there's like, look at the higher time frames, a lot of chop. Still no close above there. As you guys can see, it looked like it was going to, and then it didn't. Let's keep an eye on the 3 minute. Minute and a half on this candle here. We are really just chopping, guys. This is just definitely an idiot box. Bouncing between two levels here. Let's bounce in between these two levels. Not really much we can do. Like I said, we've already taken 2 entries and break even on the second one. Pretty much, I think we lost like $30 or something because I dropped it so late. But yeah. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what she wants to do. The thing is, typically, like when it holds up like this means it wants to just continue higher when it kind of shows a refusal to go lower there. So we'll just kind of see what it does. Trying to put in a 1 minute OB here. I might take the long here if we close back above the body of this candle. I think so, FX, but it's just we're not getting the follow through in either direction. It's kind of one of those things. It's a tough spot. You see it's failing to close below the 3 minutes, failing to close above the 1 minute. It's just holding up there. Yeah, I think so, FX. That's why I got out of the trade because, like, once we come down here on this candle and we don't close below, then I didn't love it at that point. We're violating PD arrays, though, left and right. Like, we violated this one. We violated this one. So, yeah. It's pretty rough, Joel. It's rough. It is rough. You are not wrong. Was expecting some follow through, but didn't get it. I took a loss on my first trade on this push below here. I thought that it would just close below in the 3 minute, and then it did not. I took the entry. We had equal lows here. I know they're right next to each other, but still. I thought it would at least run through there, and it just did not. So 9K on funded? No. Oh, that's my funded futures little thing, whatever, their challenge account. Funny thing is, on Friday, I took one trade on this, and I didn't have my headphones on, and I dropped my stop on Quantower. This happens occasionally, maybe 1 out of 50 trades, where you drop the stop, but you don't hear the little doo-doo-doo noise. And so it ran right through my stop. It should have been a break-even trade, and it ran right through my stop. I didn't even notice it. But it ran through my stop there. She is looking bullish, though, at this point. She's looking like she wants to go instead of, it's either going to hold and then close below the 3-minute and sell back down to the Asia low, or she's just going to continue to run up to the 72, 73 area. There's a bearish SMT with the ES, so we'll just see what happens. Thing is, I could still be in the short, right? But it's like, just going to wait for confirmation on the 3-minute chart. So if it closes above, we'll probably take the long. And if we take the long and lose, then we'll probably just hit the daily loss limit, which is okay. But we'll see what happens. We might just stay in this idiot box, this little range here until 4. This may not be anything here for us, to be honest. It might be the best idea to just not take anything. It's just not going. It's not doing anything. Yeah, non-farm payroll, yeah. True. What day is non-farm this week? Is it Thursday? Probably. I don't even know. Or Friday. Yeah, it's Friday, right? Let's look at the news. Yeah, we don't really even have a whole lot of news today. It's kind of like a no news Monday. Powell speaking twice. Yeah. Feeling a new high incoming. It could be. What? I mean, who knows? Could go both ways here. So far, the short is holding. But I don't know. I just don't want to sit through drawdown there. I mean, this inversion is holding so far, but just no follow through on anything. Yes, holding up there at the VWAP. Not getting through there so far. Maxie, don't you start barking. Here's a dog outside. Maxie, Everybody's asleep. He's in here trying to bark. Oh, my goodness. Just chopping here sideways. Looking a little bit weaker there, though, to be honest. Looking a little bit weaker, and then it says poppy poppy. If you guys are interested in trading futures, Apex 80% off and 1 day past is in today. Link in the description for that. I think Bulenox ended their sale already. Let's see if they launched a new one yet. I checked yesterday and the coupon code wasn't really working anymore. So as far as I could see if they started anything new. I assume they will. The 83% code is still showing there, but it's I don't know if it still works or not. I don't know if it works or not. Do we close above on this nice strong candle here? Strength, it's like a 6-point candle. This strong, no, it's like a 4-point candle. This strong candle here. Still no close above. If it does what it's been doing, it will now pull back. So let's just see what happens here. We're just waiting. Not really much to do right now. Just chop in here. This is a pretty bad London session, I'm going to be honest. Not just because we have taken some losses. It's just pretty bad. Price action, no bueno. Oh, goodness. Let's see here. Do we hit 2,100 subs? We're 3 subs away from 2,100. So if you're watching and you're not yet sub, please help us out. We do stream live Monday through Friday, 5 days a week. And then 2 days a week at minimum London, Mondays and Fridays. That's what we got going on. I mean, normally it's kind of like a clean read in London, but today, man, I don't hate this inversion. I mean, it is tested and holding, but it might give it up this here right here, though. Let's see. I mean, look at 1 minute. This one has nobody on it, pretty much. Oh, I guess that's the candle we're still working on. Just nasty price action. So even if we end up down $400 or $500, it's fine. We're still in the green on the accounts at the end of the day. Still in the green. All right, let's see if this thing closes above here. Yes, just kind of glued to the VWAP there. Unable to. It's not pushing below. It's holding above, but it's kind of glued to the VWAP. Not much going on. Still no close above. Yes, pushing here. Up 3 points. 3 points off the VWAP. Oh. Oh, goodness. You just have to chuckle, laugh sometimes. You just have to laugh at it. I got this the wrong color. It's been the wrong color the whole time, and I still didn't notice. All right, well, we'll see what happens here. She want to push back up to 65, possibly. Got those equal highs up there, kind of the 65 area. But let's see if she holds the 3 minutes or not. Oh, yeah, I guess we have equal lows down here, too. You know, we need something. Void. We need something. She's chopping around here. What time is it anyway? 3:49. All right. All right, that's getting a little speed there on that candle. Will it decide to close below now or not? That will be the question. Bouncing out of there hard. Bouncing out of there. Are we going to get a little pump here? A little pump back through the 65s at least. Made a coffee and sandwiches prices the same place. Yeah, you could go take a 10-mile jog and it'd be at the same place, unfortunately, right now. It's not going anywhere. Well, we may just end the day right here where we're at. Oh, the spaceship arrived. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that's right. He does have the spaceship on his chart. Is that Star Trek or Star Wars? What is that? I don't know. Or neither. I have no idea. It's one or the other, right? Little pop there. What do we got? 8 minutes till 4 o'clock. Enterprise. Captain Kirk. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Is Captain Kirk over there? What's up? No, I didn't. I took a short, Naz. I took the short. I knew the ES had not taken the Asia low or the Asia high, but I still took it anyway. I was like, oh, it didn't close below. That's all right. Or I took it before it closed below, and then I tried a second time and just took it off for break even. Yeah, the 4 a.m. may come in. I mean, it feels like it might want to just pump. It's kind of showing an unwillingness to go lower, so we'll see what happens. If we close above on the 1 minute, I'll probably participate, but otherwise, I'm just going to sit here. ES has held the VWAP kind of all morning here so far. Once it kind of based above there, accepted that area, it's kind of holding. So I'm expecting maybe we move up. Who knows? Usually in London, if it shows an unwillingness to go lower, then it goes the other way. So got like 5-6 minutes here left until 4. So let's just see. Let's just see what it wants to do. So far, it didn't want to do anything. It wants to hang out in this, like, what, 10-point range. Yeah, it's difficult. I mean, on the 3-minute, I think, if we close below here, then we probably go down. 1 minute, it feels like we at least run through the 65s here, maybe. I don't know. Interesting little spike there. See if it can get going. One way or the other, right? One way or the other. ES looking kind of stronger, a little stronger. I mean, it's all relative, right? When I say strong, it's it doesn't mean much. You get what I'm saying? So we'll see what happens. I don't know. Usually when it fails to go lower like this, it just kind of continues higher. So that's what my expectation is, but it could be wrong. We are near all-time highs. So if we close above here, I think we go for this swing, maybe all the way to 73 and start pushing, but we'll just see what happens. It's not doing anything right now, just hanging out in this 10-point range. I mean, the 3-minute chart's looking weakish. I mean, we got 5-6 red candles in a row. This candle will close at top of the hour. I mean, look at this action. A few buyers trying to step in here. I think I might want to run those 65s. It's just banging its head against those two zones. Just banging his head against the two zones right now. Maybe we get a little burst of volume up here. Let's see. See if we get a little push up here, right here at the top of the hour. Feels like that's kind of what it wants to do, but about 45 seconds here till this new candle, hourly candle opens. Wow. It's not moving at all. ES looking a little stronger here. All right, there we go. Top of the hour. Yeah, top of the hour here. Pushing there. A little volatility. Little bits of a volume. Can't buy it yet, J Trades. I did this already this morning and cost me, so being a little bit more, we'll be a little more patient on it. If it closes above, then maybe we'll buy it, but we may take it just one more trade and see what happens there. Third time's the charm. All right, it closed above, so we'll see if it wants to run. All right, we'll see what happens here. See if it wants to run. We'll break even, stop it at 71 there. So if it hits the first target, if we can get there. I don't know that we'll get much here, to be honest. I mean, this price action's just been crap. This thing might just chop around. It's kind of been running stops in both directions here, so we'll see. So if this candle closes and then it leaves this swing, then once we get back above that swing, I'll have to break even it. So we'll see what happens. 4 a.m. news. All right. This will be the last trade either way, guys. The last trade, this price action is not great. So back above this swing, we're going to break even, stop it. Close below, we take it off. That's the deal. Three seconds left on this candle. All right, there it is. So just chopping around. This, you know, not a great London session. Let's be honest. 3 losses in a row. Sometimes it's just going to be like that, right? It's not much you can do. Yes, you can half as Ahmed. You can trade it on NinjaTrader. But that's going to do it for me, guys. We're going to go ahead and end it there. I mean, 3 losses in a row, down $700. I mean, there's no point in pressing the buttons anymore. No need in sitting here, you know. This price action is just garbage. So If you guys haven't already, hit the like button for me. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. We will be back live at 9:15 a.m. for the New York session. See if we can't do better. And, yeah, that's it. Appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.